Hi everyone. It's been a long time. I'm going to make this video because I was busy with my study actually, guys. Yeah, and also it was raining a lot. So that's why I was prison in my home. Actually, I was completely stuck. I really wanted to make that video, but I was not available, and also, yeah, because of that rain. So that's why. But now I'm available and I'm not going to stop myself because of rain. No matter what, I will carry umbrella and I will make this video. Okay, so I don't care right now because now I have completed at least 40 days. Now 35 days has more left of my 75 day challenge. That's why I'm going to make lots of content videos so I can do practice with myself also. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to tell you in this video about what I have done in last month. Okay, because yeah, that's why I make this video about my report card kind of thing, right? And kind of therapy thing, because whenever I make this video, I aware of my thoughts, like what I have done in my English journey. So that's why I'm making this video, and that's my purpose of this making video, not because of YouTube kind of thing. I'm just making this video about myself. If someone will watch this video, if he will found some knowledgeable thing to follow or some routine, so he couldn't do those things. He like, yeah. So that's why I'm not gonna take stretch that much thing. So now I'm going to tell you first of all what I have done in this last month. Then after that, what we are going to do, further days and everything. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you what we have done, okay, in this last month. Okay, so in this last month, actually we have completed all of the basic concept of grammars and all the basic usable phrasal verbs and idioms and some phrases which we repeat every day in our daily conversation. So we have done research and we have also practiced, not that much, because there's a fun fact. When we completed like these thing, everything, the basic concept, after that we realize we haven't done that much practice with that. Means as a speaking way, right? Means we have just learned those things, but we haven't practiced that much. So that's after that realization, we made a plan. Means, why I said plan, sorry. We made a plan. We are going to do revision at least 2-3 times in our further days. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And this one thing I have done, and the second one we have done is we had made our own habit of listening and reading. Actually, when we started, and we thought, actually, you can't just listen 1 month and then you will become good speaker. You can't just do only reading for 1 month and you will become good speaker. That's mean you have to make a habit. You have to you have to adopt these habits with your own life. It could be like kind of daily habit, because how much you can consume some data, then you will feel confident while talking. So these are the things, and that's what we have discovered. And we actually, I had a knowledge about Atomic Habits, and I share with them. You should also read Atomic Habits. You will get an idea how to make a habit of reading and listening. And I share with them, and they read that book, and we made the habit of reading and listening. Okay, so yeah, that's what we have done. And yes, and the last one has left, speaking. So I just started. It's been a 2 days. I started my speaking thing. Means in this phase, what we are going to do is we are going to talk at least for 5 hours every day. Yes, just for 35 days, because yeah, we have completed 1 month now. At least 14 days, not complete 1 month. Yeah, so 14 days we have finished. Now we have left only 35 days. So we are going to speak at least 4 and 5 hours. Okay, means yeah, that's it. And the first hour it's going to be like a one-to-one conversation, and the second also one-to-one conversation, and the third one you have to join in any VC, any other like platform where lots of people are talking in a group. Then you have to join as a for public speaking. And the last one is, if you have if you had time, then you can join other conversation also. You can talk with your friend again. Don't limit yourself. Okay, if you have time, then go for it. So yeah, we have planned this thing, and we are also following lots of good stuff. Only diet English. Means in this challenge, what you have to do is you have to avoid Hindi contents and your native language. So we have planned lots of things, and we are following a routine and well structure like routine. So yeah, and yeah, let's see what I'm going to be. Because of course I wanted to become fluent in language, but it's all matter on my practice, right? So how much I will do practice, how much I will talk with someone, it's all based on my practice, on myself. So yeah, so I started, and the last 2 days was so good. I practiced with them a lot, and I also found my English partner. Means I have lots of friends, but they were busy with their work, with their life. But I found 2 3 person as my English partner. I can talk with them every day. So actually I'm enjoying overall, actually. Okay, my English journey I'm enjoying because of them. Because when my miss, when they were not available, and they were not there when I started my journey, I was like feeling so struggle and so frustrated in this journey. Sometime, like, I was feeling so motivated, and sometime I was feeling so demotivated. Okay, means really I'm going to be fluent or not. But when they came in my English journey, and I'm really enjoying this journey right now. I don't care about my result. After 75 days I will become a good speaker or not, but I believe about their passion. Okay, and they also see in myself some kind of passion and ambitious person. Okay, so that's why they're also enjoying their journey. I'm also enjoying their journey with them. So I'm really so glad to having them, and I'm really enjoying it. And yeah, now I can say myself I'm really gonna become a fluent speaker after completing the 75 days challenge. Yes, so yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to share. And now I'm going to make lots of content about my English journey. Actually, I have also in this last month I have covered at least 5 6 books. Okay, so means, yeah, so I'm going to make a summary of those books in this video. So I will get an, like, kind of option to create a video kind of content. So yeah, I'm going to make a summary of those videos for myself. Okay, not for as a YouTube purpose. I wanted to become a YouTube. Just I wanted to create those summary videos about myself, so I can revise all of those books again. And yeah, that's my goal is actually. Okay, so that's it. Bye, see you in my next video. And yeah, we just started our journey. Okay, and yeah, bye, see you tomorrow. Sorry, see you in my next video.